Hello. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will look into 8 fascinating facts about rocket. But before that, please consider hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon for future updates. Alright, let's go back to the main topic. 1. The first rocket to reach outer space in 2013 was SpaceX's Falcon 9. It was the first rocket to successfully reach outer space and return to Earth, but it didn't transport any cargo. It is a 2-stage rocket and has been designed for carrying payloads into Earth orbit. The Falcon 9 can carry payloads of up to 22,800 kilograms into Earth orbit. It is currently used by NASA for resupply missions and commercial satellite launches. 2. The rocket's fuel is composed of liquid oxygen and kerosene. Rocket fuel is a liquid that can be used to power rockets. The fuel is composed of liquid oxygen and kerosene. Rockets need to be able to burn the fuel in order for them to work. 3. NASA's scientists designed rockets to work in a vacuum since there is no air in outer space. The lack of air means that there is no oxygen to combust with the fuel and create thrust. This means that the rockets have to be designed differently. 4. Rockets were developed by U.S. Army engineers during World War II. They were first used in combat in 1944 when American forces invaded France. The rockets were designed to discharge explosives over a large area and had a range of about 2 miles. 5. Rockets have been used for military purposes as well as for research into space. Rockets have been used in military and research purposes. Rockets have been used to launch satellites into space, explore the moon, and even to send men to the moon. They are also used in military purposes by countries such as Russia who use them as a weapon. The first rockets were designed in the early 20th century and were made of wood, paper, glue, and nitroglycerin. The first rocket was launched on October 4, 1957 by Russian scientist Konstantin Tsiolkovsky, who created it from the ground up himself. 6. Soviet Union launched the first artificial satellite called Sputnik 1 on October 4, 1957. This event was a major milestone in the history of space exploration as it marked the start of the space race. The success of this launch led to a sense of fear among Americans, and they were concerned that they would be behind in science and technology. The Soviet Union's launch of Sputnik 1 was a major milestone in the history of space exploration as it marked the start of the space race. This event led to a sense of fear among Americans, and they were concerned that they would be behind in science and technology. 7. Rocket engines produce thrust to steer the rocket and can be classified into several types: turbo pumps, pressure-fed combustors, gas generators, and cryogenic engines. There are 3 types of rocket engines: air-breathing, solid, and liquid. Air-breathing engines use atmospheric oxygen to burn the fuel. They are the cheapest type of engine, but they cannot operate in space because there is no air to breathe. Solid rocket engines have a propellant that is stored within a casing in a pressure vessel. These types of engines produce thrust quickly, but they cannot be throttled and they cannot be shut down once ignited because the propellant is already burning. Liquid rocket engines use liquid hydrogen and oxygen as their propellants and can be throttled or shut down after ignition. They are the most expensive type of engine but also the most efficient one because they produce more thrust for their weight than any other type of engine. 8. Rockets are either expendable or reusable. Manned rockets are usually reusable and unmanned rockets are usually expendable. That's it for today's topic. Hopefully this video will have given you a better understanding about rocket. If you like this video, please click the like button and share this video to others. Thank you for visiting another 10 channel. See you next time.